Are you feeling overwhelmed by the complexity of AI and machine learning and you're not sure as how to find the right path? Hey, you're not alone. My name is Nachiket Murthy and I know how frustrating it can be to feel stuck. That's why we created this Python for Generative AI and Machine Learning course, which is a live instructor-led program which is going to simplify the journey in mastering into the artificial intelligence. Now here in this course, you will master the Python for AI with the help of libraries such as NumPy, Pandas and Matplotlib that is there for you to master the foundation. And then you will understand about the data analysis and visualization, the EDA and how to analyze the data with relevant libraries in Python, followed by the machine learning essentials with Python, where you will be introduced to this concept of machine learning. You'll be looking into the linear regression and performing a project on predicting the house prices. Followed by the introduction to the deep learning, where you will understand what is deep learning, how to build a neural network, and you'll also have a project on building an image classification using an MNIST dataset. Followed by, we have a module dedicated for generative AI fundamentals. And the last two modules is about how to deploy the models that you will be building in the project, and we'll be taking you through the various ways in which you can deploy the machine learning models and how you can deploy the generative AI models using the libraries such as Fast API. And the last module, it's about the capstone project and the certification. So with the hands-on experience with real-world project and access the lifetime materials for the continued learning, you are going to progress in a structured manner. So don't let this fast-paced world of AI leave you behind. Build your skills today, build your portfolio, and build your confidence with the guidance from the experts. The session is an instructor-led live session and it happens every Tuesday and Wednesday between 9:30 p.m. IST to 11:30 p.m. IST. Now this course is part of Diamond membership that we have got at Manifold AI Learning, but we have open to non-members as well. So grab the opportunity because the seats are limited for non-Diamond members. Enroll now and transform your AI journey. So click the link below to get started and start building the future of AI, that is your future. And we look forward to seeing you in our class 1.